Now, Swati Maliwal has hit back at the Aam Aadmi Party. She says, and I quote, "Since yesterday, Delhi ministers are spreading lies that an FIR has been filed against me for corruption. Hence, I did all this on the instructions of BJP. This FIR was lodged, she says, 8 years ago in 2016, after which both the CM and LG appointed her as the chairperson of the Women's Commission twice more. The case is completely fake, on which the Honorable High Court has stayed for 1.5 years, who have accepted that no money transaction has taken place." So this is what Swati Maliwal is saying in the fresh reaction that she has posted on the social media X. She goes on to say that according to the Aam Aadmi Party, until she filed a complaint against Vibhav Kumar, she was Lady Singham, and today she has become a BJP agent. She says that an entire troll army was deployed against her just because she spoke the truth. Everyone in the party is being called and told to send Swati's personal video if they have one, as it has to be leaked. So serious allegations are being leveled by Swati Maliwal. She says a collective witch hunt is being done by the Aam Aadmi Party against her. Not just this, but she has also claimed that they are putting the lives of her relatives and herself in danger. We also have Shivani joining us on the fresh reaction that has come in from Swati Maliwal. Shivani, Swati claims that they are stooping to new low. The Aam Aadmi Party is also seeking personal videos of Swati Maliwal as to propagate their agenda that Swati Maliwal is doing everything on the behest of the BJP.
Aditi, it seems that the Aam Aadmi Party that had begun with the promises of against corruption, now it has become against women, and this is happening with the own MP of the Aam Aadmi Party. And Swati Maliwal, who seeks justice after a brutal assault, is now getting vocal as the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to hurl attacks onto Swati Maliwal. Now she says that कल से दिल्ली के मंत्री झूठ फैला रहे हैं और मुझ पे भ्रष्टाचार की FIR हुई है, इस तरह की बातें वो कह रहे हैं that BJP is planting a conspiracy. Now she's clarifying and she's saying that this FIR was done 8 years back and this has already been done. So she is also clarifying that विभव कुमार के खिलाफ कंप्लेंट देने तक मैं इनके हिसाब से लेडी सिंघम थी और आज बीजेपी की एजेंट बन गई हूँ. So you remember, Aditi, that on 13th of May when this assault had taken place, on 14th Sanjay Singh had come out to give a statement in the favor of Swati Maliwal, and he had already approved and said and acknowledged that Vibhav Kumar has actually misbehaved with Swati Maliwal. But what happened that the party took such a blind U-turn, and now it is putting allegations on the MP of their own party and calling it a BJP's conspiracy. You see the way Aam Aadmi Party is behaving, not answering and trying to cry conspiracy on everything that is being revealed now. Conspiracy theory is the thing on which the Aam Aadmi Party is working, but Swati Maliwal is now warning Aam Aadmi Party that don't do this, don't try to do this, that if she exposes them, then it will be
say that she will take everybody to court on these malicious charges that the Aam Aadmi Party is leveling. Well, Shivani, thank you for giving us the inputs. We also have a reaction